Ooh, BoxyCharm got a little scandal. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are finally going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm Premium, and there's some scandal involved in this box. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so before I dive into today's video, I got an email from BoxyCharm, which I have to read to you guys. Now this was not sent to my PR email, this was sent to my actual paid for email. And apparently there's been some issues regarding this item that was featured in Boxy Premium this month. This is called Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Apparently this mask is completely sold out, has always been sold out on Sephora. I've seen so many big YouTubers rave about this, saying it's a wonderful product. They can never get their hands on it because it's only sold out. Well, BoxyCharm actually sent an email saying we're writing to share some important messages from one of our brand partners, Summer Fridays. You can find the official statement here. So according to what BoxyCharm is saying, they said that we at Summer Fridays are carefully monitoring recent community feedback citing temporary redness and irritation experienced by some customers when using the jet lag mask. We deeply regret any discomfort or inconvenience caused by this issue and are confident that the use of this product does not pose a threat to the health and safety of our customers. We've worked with our manufacturer testing laboratories and have an independent chemist to conduct a thorough investigation into the cause and have determined that the certain production batches at our third-party manufacturing sites were compromised. To address this issue, we have implemented the following steps. We have now established new, more stringent manufacturing protocols using OTC level guidelines to ensure every step in the manufacturing process is carefully monitored and checked for full compliance and adherence to our high standards. We are developing a minor reformation, including removing of essential oils that will serve to mitigate any future potential for irritation while still delivering the results you look for in a jet lag mask. While the number of the reports we have received regarding jet lag masks represent a small percentage of users, we want to operate with abundance of caution. It is our recommendation that you patch test the product receiving BoxyCharm on your jawline or behind your ear prior to using. It is normal to experience a cooling sensation when applied, but if you experience any unexpected reaction, please rinse it off and discontinue use. If you have any further questions or need further assistance, just reach out to BoxyCharm and they'll be there to assist you. We value the Charmers community, appreciate your understanding, and hope we continue to have your support and trust. XOX or Summer Friday. So I do think it's really cool that they are listening to some customers' feedback. I haven't heard any other information regarding this because I guess I don't really watch unboxings on YouTube that often, so I haven't heard anyone else's concerns about this. But I did get that email and I was like, oh, okay. So I think it's cool they're addressing it and they're letting you know, like, hey, patch test it first. But yeah, I don't know if this works. I haven't personally tried it yet. I know that Paige was actually wearing it the day when I was talking to her, but I think hers was just like from her paid for that she had already prior had, so I think she's perfectly fine. But yeah, I guess there's some issues involving this. So if I get an extra one in here, I don't know how I feel about adding it to a No Waste Wednesday because I don't want to add a product they may or may not cause irritation to somebody. I don't want to do that to somebody. So we'll see how to go from there, but I just want to let you guys know, like, I think it's cool that BoxyCharm addressed the issue immediately and are handling it. So that's actually really awesome. If you guys don't know, Boxy Premium is a $35 a month box where you get 5 to 6, sometimes 7 full-size products in here with like a retail value of 125 plus. Boxy Premium is always my favorite go-to box. I think the only box I was kind of disappointed in was like the December box. I think I wasn't the biggest fan of that one, but typically Boxy Premium is my favorite because it's supposed to be full of nothing but high-end luxury items. So I always think this is such a fun box to get. So I'm so excited to see what we got in here because I really did enjoy my PR box. I'm excited to see what we have in this one. Maybe if I get the same items, I'll do some items into my No Waste Wednesday. Maybe I'll get some new items. I don't know, but let's dive in. Alrighty, so first things first, we have our little insert card, and the first thing I see in here is this PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. This retails for $30, and it says, get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with antibacterial, anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. So I actually did receive this in my last PR box. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. Just because I don't need to have 2 of the same washcloths. And I'm not gonna lie, I typically sometimes forget to use these. I tend to just use my towels to, dry my face just because I forget. So, okay. Next, we do have the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with this because I don't want to add a product that might have a compromised batch in here. I'm not entirely sure what to do, but this does retail for $48, and it says that to life turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Use as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight saver. This multitasker nourishing vitamins, cinamides, and antioxidants leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. I don't know what to do with it because I already have mine. I have mine right here and I haven't even opened it and used it yet. So I don't know. I just would feel really bad putting in an item that may or may not cause irritation. I just don't feel safe with that. So we'll set this aside for now. And yeah, I'm sorry. I don't want to hurt anybody. Ugh. Okay, so next we do have the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This retails for $32. I got the shade Banana. It says Rihanna was obsessed with creating a setting powder that wouldn't flash back, so Pro Filter was born in 8 versatile shades that melt into your unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without a trace. Guys, I have got to say, I have been using this setting powder. First off, the smell, this is mine, or you guys can already tell it's kind of dirty. I don't know what this smell is, but it just smells so good. Like I want to eat it. Oh my God, I look like a freaking crackhead. I'm so sorry.
Thanks. Okay. Clean it up, Kokor.
Do you have any more of that?
Oh my God, it smells so good. Let me just, blend that in. Oh my God, Allie, Jesus. Products like that, you don't breathe out and it won't go everywhere. But this product smells incredible. It's just like a really sweet smell, but it's not like an overpowering smell. It just smells so good. It makes me just want to eat it. It makes me want a dessert really badly. But I actually really, really do enjoy this setting powder. I think it looks really beautiful on the skin. Now, does it control my oil all day? I don't think it controls my oil all day, but it definitely gives me that filtered look. Like it definitely helps to minimize the appearance of my pores. It looks really, really beautiful on the skin, not only on camera, but in person as well. I thoroughly do love this setting powder. So I'm going to keep this one for myself because I love setting powders. Because I love setting powders so much. Not a day goes by that I don't use setting powder. So I could tell I'm going to go through this one. And I'm going to go ahead and keep this one for myself because it's just a really, really great setting powder. I really do freaking love it. Okay, next we have, this is from Ofra. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Good To Go Mini Mix Palette. This retails for $39. I'm going to keep it sealed up in its package though because I actually received this in my last PR box. Let me show you. Okay, so this is mine and I think it is just freaking beautiful. It's a really beautiful palette. You can create really beautiful looks with this. Super nice, and I really hope that somebody out there can get a good use out of this. I don't need to have 2 of the same ones, but this is just so stunning, so beautiful. So I freaking love it. So hopefully somebody out there gets a good use out of this as well. Okay, so next we have a Fenty Beauty. This is Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. I received this in my last one as well. I did try this out. I wasn't fully in love with it because it's like a unique formula where it's like flat and then wide, flat and wide. It's very weird, but I do already have my own that I've been playing around with. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. But it's not a bad mascara. It's just unique for me. Alrighty, last but not least, we do have a Lorelei. We do have a Laura Mercier. This is Rogue Essentials. This is a silky cream lipstick in the shade Rose Decadent. Ooh, I don't have any Laura Mercier products when it comes to this. So this is how it looks. And ooh, she's like a kind of a hottie pink. Let me swatch you. I have the shade right here. It's not my favorite shade. It is more pinky. I feel like this would be a great mix with the Lipgasm for my BoxyCharm box. I feel like those two go actually really good together. But it's not a bad shade. It's just a little bit too pinky. But I might be able to use this in some way, shape, or form. I don't have anything from Laura Mercier when it comes to that. I just have their setting powder. So that's actually really cool that they actually threw that in here. So I feel like the only difference from my paid for box and my PR box is that in my paid for box I got the Laura Mercier product, and in my PR box I got the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Say that fast 5 times. So yeah, guys, that is everything I got in my box. I really liked it. I really liked my PR box. I really like this one. I think this one had just a little bit more makeup. The last one had a little bit more skincare. So I'm excited. This one definitely had more makeup into it. Granted, I'm not keeping every single item because I already got these, so I'll be putting to my No Waste Wednesday. I never expect to get BoxyCharm Premium in PR. It's kind of rare that they do that. I think I've only gotten it 2 or 3 times in my time of being on PR list. I think I've only gotten like 2 or 3 times. So I never ever expect it. So it's really cool when it does happen. But if I didn't get the PR box and I just got this, I'd be keeping almost everything. So that's actually really exciting, because typically sometimes when I do subscription boxes or unboxings, I give away a lot of items that I may or may not want or already have. And it's nice to be like, oh no, I really do enjoy this box. It's a really great box. I'm excited to be keeping some duplicates. You know, it's a good box when I keep a duplicate. I never keep a duplicate, but this Fenty Beauty powder, oh my God, bitch, it is just such a good powder. So this is a really good box. I'm excited. I hope you guys like the goodies that are going into my No Waste Wednesday. And yeah, hopefully we can figure out the situation with like the summer Fridays. Like I said, I don't feel comfortable giving away an item that may cause irritation, just because I don't want to do that to somebody. So I don't know what to do with it. We'll figure it out. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every single day. No, I don't. This is not my Vlogmas. I'm still my Vlogmas mindset. I post 3 to 4 times, sometimes 5 a week. Make sure you guys check out my other channel. It's R for Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. This would not be possible without them. They are allowing me to live my dream here on YouTube, and I can't say thank you enough to each and every single one of them. And to you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I would not be here without you guys. Whether you guys like this video, thumbs down this video, subscribed, unsubscribed, didn't subscribe, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate each and every single one of you guys. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye. So in mine, I got a Ren Clean Skincare. So in mine, I got a Ren Clean. So this is mine. So you guys can already tell. So this is mine. I get a werewolf, so I need something in my... I've been up since 6 a.m. Again? Lawn people. It's and it really, and not only does it look really beautiful, surprisingly enough, I actually like this box. I feel like it had some really... I actually like this box. I feel like it had a good temporary redness and irritation experienced. You ruined my last video. I haven't had a chance to really try. Oh, I had horrible spots in my veins. So here we have the shade right here. It's not the bad. It is our recommendation that you full on acknowledges.